some apps don't have an explicit back button, but in this video, I'll show you how you can easily return your iPhone to the previous page with a gesture. Watch till the end, and I will tell you another secret trick. So this is really easy. Just open any app or any website, move to the sub-settings, and now to go back to the previous screen, you just need to swipe inwards like that from the left side of your phone. Just like this. Let's do it again. So swipe from the left edge to the middle of the screen like this. And with this gesture, you'll go back to the previous screen. Try repeating it in other apps, for example in Safari or Chrome. And as you can see, it's working. But note that this feature may be limited in some apps. And additionally, if you want to go back forward is possible, for example, in Safari. Use a similar gesture, but swipe from the right edge to the screen to the middle like that. So to go back, swipe from the left edge to the middle of the screen. And then to reverse, you just need to swipe from the right edge. So that's it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.